Okay, I'm going to try to do this in under a minute. This is how to make my linguine with king crab in a tomato sauce. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you boil off your linguine. Just buy a linguine, cook it according to direction, rinse it in cold water, add a little bit of olive oil, mix it up, put it back in the strainer on top of the pan like that. Keep it warm, should keep it from sticking. See how it's not going to stick like that? The warm water underneath is going to keep it moist. It's going to be fine. Okay, that's done. This here was my chopped onions and peppers and sauteed in olive oil. I added a couple of cans of tomatoes. I also chopped up some basil and threw that in there, and then I added some dried spices, some thyme and oregano, salt and pepper, and a little bit of sugar. That's all. Then this here was my king crab legs. I bought king crab legs at the market, cooked them up, cracked them, and I'm going to add those to my sauce at the last minute just to reheat them real quick. Then I made a quick little garlic bread. Buttered some Cuban bread. You can use Italian bread, any kind you like. Buttered it, put a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, and sprinkled some chives for color, and I'm going to toast that till the top is nice. And then I'm going to serve that, and that's my entire meal. I went to a minute and a half. Hope you enjoy.